Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, and we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 5th of November 2024, our system has identified VOO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.13. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has recorded a gain of 2.94%. This equates to an average return of 0.37% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak rising trend in the short term, indicating that further upward movement is likely. The prevailing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 7.16% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 3.07% and 8.43%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 26.82% over the next year, with a possible return between 18.22% and 28.25%. This translates to a price range of $645.11 to $699.84 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for VOO. The VOO ETF price experienced a decline of nearly 0.6% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024. It dropped from $548.94 to $545.68. During that trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 0.86%, reaching a low of $544.90 and a high of $549.57. Notably, the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 4.4% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also saw an increase on the last day, with 236,000 shares traded, albeit alongside falling prices. This could signal an early warning, slightly raising the risk in the coming days. In total, 4 million shares changed hands for approximately $2.13 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $551.72, while the lowest price was $411.75. Currently, the price sits at 1.1%. or $6.04, below the 52-week high of $551.72, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. U.S. stocks have shown a downward trend today, with the Dow Jones falling by over 150 points. This decline indicates broader market volatility that could affect the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, also known as VOO. This ETF has been one of the best performers this year and currently tracks an S&P 500 that has experienced fluctuations as it navigates through significant market events, including the aftermath of the recent presidential election. Positive sentiment remains, particularly regarding technology giants like NVIDIA and its anticipated sales growth, which positions them as favored stocks within the S&P 500. This could lead to increased investor confidence in growth sectors, potentially boosting the ETF's value in the long run. However, there are concerns about underperformers like Supermicro, whose substantial decline may lead to its removal from the S&P index. Such an action could further shake investor confidence in the stability of the broader market. The market seems to be consolidating after significant gains, a phase that requires cautious navigation from investors. With potential upside targets pushing towards the 6,060 mark for the S&P 500, VOO may continue to attract investments as a safer option during uncertain times. It offers long-term growth opportunities, especially if the index maintains this upward momentum. As we observe these developments, the ongoing dynamics are likely to influence VOO's pricing strategies both currently and in the longer-term investment landscape. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook. If the ETF continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $547.80. Conversely, if it declines, the ETF will find support from the long-term average at around $533.51. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, is also indicating a buy signal. However, several negative signals have emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, November 11, 2024, resulting in a decline of 0.87% thus far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, serving as an early warning that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average gives a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 63 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 71 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 245 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $543.36. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. During the last day, the fund experienced a movement of $4.67 between its high and low, which represents a change of 0.86%. Over the past week, the fund has had an average daily volatility of 0.697%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $547.45. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $543.36. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $529.12, reflecting a decrease of 3.03%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, resulting in a low-risk profile. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, indicate that we may be witnessing a buying opportunity at the current level. There is a fair chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 15th of November, we expect VOO to open up $1.04 and begin trading at $546.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.